Hello everyone, how are you? Today we'll be discussing an important topic concerning the use of the Renault 4L by young people and the secret behind their love for this wonderful car. Yes, an annual event that attracts thousands of young people. Did you know? Today we'll be talking about the trophy race or the trophy event. What is it? And what's the surprising secret behind limiting it to the Renault 4L only? And humanitarian car rally for students aged between 18 and 28 that taking concrete aid to local communities. This rally, involving several thousand cars, brings toys and school supplies to Morocco, along with several tons of food and a few thousand euros in donation. It takes place over 10 days. Created by Jean-Jacques Rey in 1997, it is organized by the company Desert Tours with the voluntary support of the Rennes School of Business. The standard all-inclusive price is near 3,400 euros. Of course, the Renault 4 trophy have key aspects. Number one, an orienteering rally. This is a race against the clock based on navigation skills, compass and road book, not speed. Second, the Renault 4 Adventure. Hundreds of Renault 4 LS iconic vehicles travel approximately 6,000 kilometers. Solidarity. Each car carries donation, pencils, notebooks, balloons, clothing for children in the desert. Association. Number three, it's a human adventure. It's a unique experience of resourcefulness, stress management, and connection, fostering mutual support among participants. The last aspect is the route from Biarritz, French, to Morocco, Marrakech, Merzouga via Spain. For these reasons, the Renault 4L car must be prepared for the demonstration, and of course, certain conditions must be met in the participating car. Preparing a Renault 4L for the 4L trophy focuses on reliability, compliance with regulation, aluminum, steel engine, fuel tank protection plates, off-road tires, and adaptation to desert conditions. This includes major mechanical maintenance, a reinforced cooling system, dual fans, special sensor, the addition of equipment, trip meter, compass, jerrycan, spare tire, and interior modifications, removal of the rear seats, installation of storage compartments. The goal is to transform a stock car into a robust vehicle capable of covering 6,000 kilometers in the Moroccan desert while carrying school supplies. My friends, we will discuss some important points. Number 1, mechanics and reliability. Most important. Major maintenance, oil change, filters, oil, air, spark, plugs, water pump, belts, cooling a crucial point, clean radiator, functioning thermostat, dual electric fan system with a suitable sensor, mandatory. A chassis, check and reinforce the frame rails, clean and rust-proofed floorboards, ignition complete overhaul to prevent breakdowns, bearings, check them, especially at the rear. Recommended engine. The 1100cc Clion is often recommended for its torque. Second point is mandatory and recommended equipment regulation. First, protection under engine and under fuel tank skid. Plates between 3-5 millimeters aluminum or minimum 3 millimeters steel. No plastic. Second, tires. Off-road tires, knoppy type. Third, lighting. Improved lighting for desert conditions. The fifth point is survival kit. 2 sets of keys, 20-liter jerrycan of gasoline, 2 spare tires, some size brand. 6. Navigation. Trip meter, accurate, odometer, and compass. The third big point is interior and exterior modifications. 1. Interior removal of the rear bench seat, installation of a storage box for equipment. Second, exterior cleaning and removal of old stickers, cosmetic preparation without excess. Finally, we must speak about general approach. Reliability first. The main objective is to finish the rally without too many mechanical problems, hence the importance of good preparation. Don't underestimate many points not mandated by the regulation are nevertheless essential. My friends, that's all for this video. I leave you in God's care, and we'll meet again next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my humble channel and activate the bell button so that the channel might spread and I might become rich. Thanks to you. Thank you very much for your interaction. Goodbye.